Good morning, everyone. My name is Shreyas. Today we are presenting the stock trend prediction with AI. Here, the potential of artificial intelligence and forecasting the stock market trends. Here, we explore data analysis by machine learning models and insightful visualizations to understand and predict the software behavior, stock behavior. And another is for the data collection and overview. Here, data source and time version and your user configuration and its objects. Here, data source means Yahoo is we are using Yahoo Finance for the library in Python, like for data collection. Another time horizon from we have 115 years data historical data stored in long-term trend analysis, which is the mean analysis. Here, user customization means the model allows an input and of any other states like enabling personalized prediction and stock analysis. And objective it is built for the solid data sets to feed with into an AI models for meaningful and trend forecasting.
Hello everyone, my name is Vikas G. Initializing visualization, unpacking close price. Visualizing the close price over time is our first step in understanding stock behavior. This raw data provide the baseline for all sequential analysis and prediction. This is the graph of close price. Enhancing insight with moving average. Moving average help smooth out price data, providing a clear picture of trends. The 100 days and 200 days moving average are crucial indicators for both short-term and long-term movement. First, 100 days moving average identify short-term trends and support resistance or levels. 200 days moving average indicate long-term trends and overall market system. Trend confirmation cross between moving average often single shift in market direction. Preparing data for machine learning. Before feeding data to our productive model, it undergoes rigorous preparation. This involves splitting data into training and testing and scaling it to ensure optimal model performance. Data splitting 70% for training the module, 30% for evaluating its accuracy or testing, min max scalar or min max scaling normalize data to a range of 0 to 1 prevents future with larger value from dominating.
Hello everyone, myself Som Reddy. Today I'm going to explain the stock price analysis. These are the two graphs of the stock price analysis. The upper one is 100-day mean average graph and the lower one is 200-day mean average graph. Next is the predictive engine or Keras model. This slide explains the core component of the project, the deep learning model that performs stock price prediction. The model used here is pre-trained time series forecasting model tailored to stock market data. This approach is used when the data points are sequential and time dependent like stock prices. The data model learns from historical pattern, not only raw numbers. The Keras model is important because it captures complex nonlinear relationship in the stock data. It can identify patterns that are not obvious through basic statistical method. It processes the data sequence data such as 100-day look back windows to make future prediction. This means that the model learns from historical behavior pattern and in the market rather than isolated values, which allow it to make smarter predictions.
Hello everyone, myself Ullas. Predicting the future trends, the testing phase. With the model loaded, we proceed to the testing phase. Here, the model predicts a stock price based on the unused data, allowing a use to compare its forecasts and again a actual market movement. Historical look back to utilize the last 100 days of a training data and content data and combines the historical data testing data for a comprehensive input and model prediction generate a prediction using the trending cares model and inverse scaling converts the prediction back to a original price scale and the comparing a reality prediction versus a original. The final step is in a visualized comparison between the model prediction and the actual stock price. The finalized graph provides the clear institutional measures of a model's accuracy and efficient effectiveness. This is the final graph. Is and the red is a prediction price and the blue graph is an original price. Thanks.
So this is our stock prediction app. We are creating app using Lstm module. So let's run it we are using Streamlight to run. After running the program, this is the interior. The header is stock trend prediction. We enter any stock market here. Indian and international stock, all stock is available. Example TSLA, Tesla stock. After entering the stock ticker, press enter button. So this is the result of Tesla stock. The data from 2010 to 2024, close price, high price, low price, open price value, the number of counting days, and mean average mean. This is closing and high, low, open volume mean, and also standard deviation minimum 25%, 50%, 75%, and maximum. And this is a close price versus time. Close price versus time with 100 days moving average. The third graph is close price versus time and with 200 moving average and 100-day moving average. The final graph is prediction versus original graph. The original graph is indicating blue line. The predict graph is indicate red line. Some for example, Indian stock SBI. The SBI ticker is SBI N dot INS. You notice here this is changing. Sorry, MS NS. The price is changed. You what is the SBI price? Put here, not the same graph. The real graph is here. They also SBI graph close and time, close price and time, and 100 days moving average. It and also 200 days and 100 days moving average, prediction and original. Thank you.